From the 15th to the 17th of April 2014, the 24th COOMET Committee meeting took place at the Ural Research Institute of Metrology in Yekaterinburg. The first meeting of the committee was held in 1991 on the initiative of metrologists of the USSR, Bulgaria, Poland, Romania and Czechoslovakia. The meeting resulted in the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding. COOMET is an international metrological association facilitating the interaction between the metrological organizations in countries that have signed the agreement on the mutual recognition of measurement results and using national measuring standards. Since 2012, the representative of Russia, Dr. Vladimir Krutikov, director of the VNIIOFI, is the president of the organization. COOMET is headed by Sergei Komissarov, the head of International Cooperation Department at the All-Russian Research Institute of Metrological Service.
Second half of the 20th century, that there was a strong need for the NMIs, the National Metrology Institute, in the region to work closer together, to meet on a regular basis and discuss how is the best way to work together.
24th COOMET Committee meeting was attended by delegations from 12 countries and also the representatives of international organizations. In addition, metrologists from Turkey, which have signed the memorandum and joined COOMET, also participated in the event.
Last year, Turkey expressed a desire to participate in the work of COOMET. The voting was carried out in accordance with the established procedure, and the majority agreed for Turkey to join COOMET.
Turkey has become the 20th COOMET member state as the associate member.
Today, we accepted the 20th member of our organization, the Republic of Turkey. We think that it will become one of the most active members because we are well aware of the development of metrology in this country. Originally, there were 17 countries. Currently, the number of participants has reached 20. Last year, we accepted Bosnia and Herzegovina. At this meeting, Turkey became one of the COOMET committee members. This confirms the interest of member states to cooperate in the field of metrology with these countries.
The COOMET activities are aimed at cooperation in the areas of measuring standards of physical units, legal metrology, accreditation and quality management systems, as well as training of metrologists from the member countries.
Two very important documents have been adopted. The first one is a document regulating the procedure of arranging the training of COOMET metrologists. The second document deals with calibration and measurement services. This is a document that allows many developing countries to show their achievements in the field of metrology to the world community.
Today, the COOMET coordinates comparisons of national measuring standards, also participates in the work of the Joint Committee of the Regional Metrology Organizations and the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, which coordinates metrology worldwide. This also allows COOMET members to share experience internationally. Furthermore, COOMET member countries are working actively in the field of legal metrology, including international organizations.
In the case of our organization, we create written standards, and we do that through technical committees, and the members of COOMET have 30% of the secretariat for our technical committees. So that is a significant number of technical committees, but it also shows the dedication of COOMET members in our organization to step up and take the responsibility of Secretariat.
An important part of the meeting was to discuss the development strategy of COOMET for the next few years, as well as ways of implementation. A report on this subject titled The COOMET Development Program for 2014 to 2016 was made by the COOMET President, Vladimir Krutikov. One of the key tasks is to annually raise the metrological capabilities of all participating countries.
The difference in the measurement and metrological capabilities of different member countries is very big. Therefore, our most important task is to use various types of seminars, internships and joint interactive activities to ensure that these countries are advancing in metrology. Similar events are held in Asia and the Caucasian countries.
Another strategic task of COOMET is the further expansion of international cooperation.
For my opinion, it would be useful if some of the COOMET documents would also find the entrance into the international world. Other continents, other regional metrology organizations maybe also could make use of such documents.
During the meeting, the elections of COOMET president were held. Based on the voting results, the acting president Vladimir Krutikov was re-elected for next term.
Vladimir Krutikov has been elected the president for the next 3 years.
Traditionally, on the day before COOMET committee meeting, the 12th meeting of the Joint Committee on Measuring Standards took place. The participants summed up the results of 2013 and revised the procedure for performing the internal expertise of measurement and collaboration capabilities of the COOMET National Metrology Institutes and rules of the COOMET comparison program.
None of the comparisons which later result in the calibration capabilities of a specific institution are recognized without checking the quality management system. The third iteration of the inspection of the Russian metrological institutes is coming. This is very important because otherwise, speaking of comparisons and the existing level of institutions is useless.
The meeting ended with an award ceremony. 4 experts were awarded the honorary title of the Honorary Metrologist of COOMET for their great personal contribution to the COOMET activities. The 24th COOMET committee meeting allowed its participants to exchange information on the status and relevant problems of their metrology activities, the most important events in the field of metrology in their countries. The 25th COOMET committee meeting is planned to be held in Tajikistan in May to June 2015.